If you want to embed a YouTube video in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add a YouTube video to your WordPress page using the Elementor editor. And I'll also show you how to control playback, adjust the aspect ratio, and add a custom thumbnail so your video looks clean and professional. This is a super useful skill, whether you're building a landing page, a blog post, a sales page, or just trying to make your site look more engaging. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page where you want to place the video. On the left side, go to Pages, then find the page you want to edit. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor, where you can build and customize the page visually without touching code. Now that the Elementor editor is open, look at the Widgets panel on the left. In the search bar, type Video. You should see the Video widget appear in the results. What you want to do next is drag and drop that video widget into the section or container where you want the YouTube video to appear. Once you place it, Elementor will automatically load the widget settings, so you can start configuring the embed. Next, go to the Content tab if you're not already there. At the top of the video settings, make sure the source dropdown is set to YouTube. This is important because Elementor can support different video sources, but for this tutorial, we want to embed a YouTube link. After that, paste the full YouTube URL into the link field. Make sure you use the complete link from YouTube, not just the video ID. For example, you'd paste a link like https://www.youtube.com/watch/v followed by the video identifier. Once the link is added, Elementor will load that YouTube video directly inside your page. Now let's talk about playback behavior, because this is where you can really fine-tune the viewer experience. If you want the video to start automatically when the page loads, you can enable Autoplay. Just keep in mind that most browsers require the video to be muted for Autoplay to work properly, so if you turn on Autoplay, make sure mute is enabled too. If you want the video to start silently, toggle mute on. That's especially useful if you want a polished homepage or landing page experience with unexpected sound. You can also enable loop if you want the video to replay automatically after it ends. This is a nice option for short clips, product demos, or background-style video sections. If you'd rather keep the interface minimal, you can switch off player controls. That hides things like the seek bar and volume controls, giving the video a cleaner look. And if you want to improve privacy, turn on privacy mode. This helps prevent YouTube from storing visitor information unless they actually play the video, which is a great feature to know about if you care about user privacy and compliance. Once the playback settings are handled, the next thing you want to configure is the aspect ratio. Click over to the Style tab in the left panel. Here you'll find the aspect ratio option. For most standard YouTube videos, 16:9 is the best choice because that matches the traditional widescreen format. If you're embedding a vertical YouTube short, then 9:16 may be more appropriate. Choosing the right ratio helps the embed look balanced and prevents awkward cropping or extra spacing around the player. Now, if you want your video to look even better before someone clicks play, you can add a custom thumbnail using the Image Overlay feature. Go back to the Content tab and open the Image Overlay section. Toggle it to Show. Then upload or choose a high-resolution image that will act as the cover image for the video. This is great for branding, custom graphics, or making the video match the rest of your page design. After that, make sure the play icon is enabled so visitors can clearly see that the image is clickable and understand that a video will play when they select it. This custom overlay is especially helpful if you're building a sales page, a course page, or a homepage section where first impressions matter. Instead of showing the default YouTube thumbnail, you can create a more professional look that fits your site perfectly. It also gives you more control over the visual style of the page before the video loads. At this point, everything should be ready. Take one last look through your settings, make sure the URL is correct, confirm your playback options, and double-check the thumbnail and aspect ratio. When you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner and click Publish. That will save your changes and make the embedded YouTube video live on your site. And that's it. You've now successfully embedded a YouTube video in Elementor. You learned how to add the video widget, insert the YouTube URL, configure playback options, choose the right aspect ratio, add a custom thumbnail, and publish the page. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Elementor tutorials, WordPress tips, and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.